Hi and welcome to this week's online assembly. We acknowledge the Bunurong people of the Kulin Nation as the traditional owners and custodians of the land on which we gather, learn and grow, and we recognize their continuing connection to land, water and culture. We pay our respects to the elders and young people of the past, present and future generations, and to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea, our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing advance Australia fair.
G'day everyone and welcome to this week's assembly. I've got some exciting things I want to talk to you about, but first let's talk about what's been going on this week. So this week we've had swimming and our year ones have been going off to Casey Race and they've been having a really good time. Lots of good respectful swimming, listening to instructions of all the teachers, but most importantly, learning the real good skills that we need to get in the water safely. And in Australia, it's really important that we all know how to be safe around the water. So well done to our year ones on a really great week of swimming. Next week, from Tuesday to Friday, our preps are having a turn, learning the exact same things around how to be safe around the water. So we hope you have a really good time. Next week, our year 4s and 5s are going to the secondary school. So they're going to Cranbourne East Secondary College and they're going to watch some of our year 7s from who were our 6s last year do a performance. They're going to be doing a Midsummer Night's Dream. So our year 4s and year 5s on 2 separate days will get to watch that performance. And it's really nice because they can see some of the things that they might get to do when they go to secondary school next year. The big announcement though for next week, school disco. Make sure that we're all coming to our school disco. It's going to be a really fun time. Our preps in year 3s, your disco is from 5 till 6 o'clock. And our 4s to 6s, your disco is from 6:30 till 7:30. It's going to be a fantastic time, lots of dancing, and most importantly, you might even see Mr. Carlson do a bit of a boogie out on the dance floor. We all want to see that. Just a side note for all parents who are dropping off your children for the disco, we are running a wellbeing presentation at the exact same time. So you can drop your children off and you can come into the Cranbourne East Secondary School Theatre where I'll be doing a presentation on how school and families can work together to try and improve our students' wellbeing. So please come on down, drop your kids off, come in for the session. We'll finish just before the kids' disco finishes and then you can go and pick them up. We'll be running a session for prep to year 3 during their disco and for 4s to 6s during their disco. I look forward to seeing you there. Bye everyone.
and welcome to this week's Student Talk. Today we are interviewing Ali from Prep P. And now on to the questions. What is your favourite sport? Basketball, soccer?
Basketball.
What is your favourite TV show?
Bluey.
What is your favourite colour?
Orange.
What is your favorite animal?
Cat.
Wow. What's your favorite subject? Maths, literacy.
Math.
Do you have any pets?
No.
Thank you, Ali, for your time today. Stay tuned for more student talks. Bye.
Hi there, it's Mrs. Perkins and we're back for some more breaking news. This week we're reporting live straight back from our Year 6 Lightning Premiership. That is when we have our Year 6s go off to different sports and compete with other schools around Casey. So this time we had our soccer. Wave if you played soccer today. We have our AFL people here, some AFL players. We had netball and we have T-ball. And we were so lucky with the weather today because, well, for T-ball anyway, it didn't rain. So we were able to play all of the games that we needed to. We're so proud of everyone and their efforts today. They had a real great go, and chatting to a lot of the other Year 6 teachers and our parent helpers who we're very grateful for. Everybody showed lots of great sportsmanship and respect and kindness to their peers and to their opponents across the day. Here we have Abby, and she's got something exciting to show us. Abby, what do you have here?
I have the
Trophy?
trophy for the girls, girl A T-ball team.
And that means, what does that mean, Abby?
It means we get to move on to district with the whole group with us.
How good is that? We are so proud of you. And here we have Nishka. And what have you got, Nishka?
We got the mixed boys and the boys team trophy.
And they also got through to the next round, which we're so proud of. Well done again to everybody today. And that is your breaking news for this week. Wave goodbye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
That brings us to the end of this week's online assembly. Remember to keep showing respect to our teachers, our classmates, and ourselves.
We hope you have an amazing week full of learning, laughter, and respectful choices. Stay safe and be proud, and we'll see you next week. Bye.